Double Diamond Railroad back. Happy, whatever it is. It's going to be Saturday, I think. Not sure. I just had the urge to come down and run a concrete plant. We got a new engine in there helping out. Came off the main line. He's going to help him do the switching, because we've got to put stuff up on the main line too. So I just mess around, playing around with it since I got another cement hopper car. We're going to try to get a whole string of cement cars back in there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there right now, I think. We're going to, it could have been 2 sand and the rest cement. We're going to pull those out and get 4 back in there. So I have to put them on the main for now to sort them out. So here we go. Let's fire this up. I made a new consist, deleting him out of what he was in with CSX. I shouldn't be doing that. I've been watching a lot of stuff suspicious of that before. BNSF runs with NS. UPs run with CSX from what I've seen consistently now. So we'll pull our BNSF out, put him over here, then he'll be running with probably that 6574 over there. It goes over to Diamond Foods. He'll probably be working over there instead of GP60. Or we still might leave the GP60 in and have triple consist just for fun, just to run the engines and break them in better. This guy's not broken, neither is a GP60. Here we go. Let's get used to his momentum is long. Might have to shorten it for switching. So we're going to pull this string out. Now I see I got to clean farther out the track because that's going to be a long consist, long train to do that. So take a quick standby. I'll wipe some more track down over here so I don't have trouble. Okay, really didn't see much. A little bit of oil on there. Let's pull this string out. I think we're set to go. Looks like it. Good startup speed. That's only 2 miles an hour. He's been running with the consist. I've never run him by himself. I don't know how he's going to do. Engine sounds good together, both of them. Mainly because that little Alco chugging along. Pretty consists too, they're all black and orange. It's good down around there. Slow them down, get ready to throw the switch down here. Tone the switch out its main line. Getting covered up with alerts. We'll go past the crossing right there. Let the conductor down. Guard the rear. Tone the switch and throw it. Gee, I thought he's never going to move. Somebody was stuck, kind of. See how far we have to go here. Okay, not too far. Let's stop right here. Then we're going to cut the cars right there behind the two cement mixers. Behind the two NWs cement mixers. Oh boy. That's what I get doing this late in the day. It's 7:45 p.m. I thought about a cup of coffee, but I didn't do it. I had a sip of tea. Still might go up and get a third for the day. When I was in Tennessee, I drank a lot of large Dunkin' coffees from noon through the afternoon. Just slow sipped them. Okay, let's get these cars cut and dropped. Okay, that should do it. Take them ahead. Gotta grab another switch in here off the main line. Whoa, there goes the cars rolling down the hill. They just rolled. I snapped one switch and they started rolling. Okay, to stop there. Let's get this switch tone. We got the other ones lined up right here. And we're going to back in and take these two hoppers, loaded hoppers, and pick them up and add them on. Take them back in the plant. Okay, here we go. Loads are heavy. That's why we got the extra horsepower. Well, I think we got a problem there. Something didn't switch. Went the wrong way or something. That switch is already in line and I flipped it back the wrong way. Put back where it was. Shove them on back. We'll get it right. Should have had the coffee. Even if I have to get up more times in the night, extra time in the night, it'll be worth it. Get my head unfogged. Okay, let's see. Stretch. Stretch just a little bit. Right there will do. That'll do. Get uncoupled back here. We're going to uncouple ahead of the Pan Am car. Stand by. Okay, we failed at that. Too jerky. Didn't even have the coffee. I'm too jerky. So we're going to pull out. let you see the flaws. We bumped the back of that car and knocked it off. So pull out so we can get a railer in there. Take them out so we can get a straight shot to rail it. Somewhere right in here, I think I can do it. Okay. Get the old railer around. And let's see, I think I'm going to set it up back here. Rail it here. Yep. Then I think we'll just come back and pick it up. Save some time. That's we botched it. Okay, here we go. Shove one back. We're going in on a planned track anyway. That's got a 7-second delay. I got to get all these up there, put them on Lope Programmer upstairs on the track, and take off 7-second delay on all my scale trains. Because they don't play well with Katos. So the scale train sits there and spins his wheel, and the other engines are going. I don't think we got it. We'll check it. Okay, one little bump, we did get it. That engine's real though, he's got to build up power before he moves. It's that clicking space on the track again. I cannot find that. I see it there, I saw it. Now I know where it is. I'm going to have to get the file, round pointed file, and run it through the inside of the rails. I think there's a piece of ballast up on there. Yeah, eBay offer popped in. Totally took over my screen, stopped the video. Oh, we're almost there. So close. Right there will do, that's all. Now what are we going to do to all that on the main line? Those are empties. So are these front ones, they need to go. So that's all those, these are empties. They all need to go off to a yard. I think we're gonna make a train out of it. Drop the, I don't know. You can switch them, but I need to probably drop the switcher and leave him and put the BNSF on over there to take the other cars and make up a train and head over west. We'll try it. So let me pause while I drop the engine from the consist. Okay, this is getting complicated. Got them uncoupled. I couldn't delete 77 out. It said it was a lead loco, which it wasn't. So I had to blow away the consist. So he's running on his own. And then I brought this up and it killed the engine. Just start him up again. There he goes. The 77 can be shut down. Well, it's 3779 not starting. Can't hear him with that other one. 77 won't shut off. There he goes. Button's not working. Had to press really hard. Now back to 3779. He's working. He's working. I don't know if the engine is. Just sounds awful quiet. Oh, he's going. Okay. So what we got to do, I got to do some switching here with this guy. So what we want is, going to sort these out before I leave. Let's back up. Let's get the switch thrown. It is thrown. Throw this one. Now back them up, shove them back. Take them on back. Pick up these two box cars. We're going to join, group them together. Put 3 box cars together, and then try to group all the tank cars together. Well, I went the wrong way, never corrected it. Come on, man. Cooperate. Getting complicated the way I'm doing it. Boy, that thing's slow. Take out some momentum. Must be maxed out. Not too fast. Right down here. That's pretty good. Took it down to a 7. Gotta be careful. Because, oh, too late. I didn't get on the buttons quick enough. Now I recoupled everything. I didn't want that. Okay, take them out. No, never coupled there. But it recoupled the back end. Stand by. Okay, I think we got it. Go the right direction. So we're leaving that tank car empty. Come out here and switch over. Get the next box. I got an unstable camera. Okay, we can stop there. Stop there and throw this switch. And we can back up. Let's move the camera. Shot here. Take them on back. Go over and get the Hydra cushion box car. Well, that's a real spool up. Real spool up takes a slow time. Trying to go slow here and make it real. Shoot a couple. Let's give it a stretch. Give him a stretch. See if we got anything. Come on, work up your engine there, buddy. Notch it up. Notch it up. Pull forward a little bit. Yeah, we got the whole string. Good deal. That thing's running really good for not being broke in. And we're about to clear the switch. That will do. Okay. Swing back here. Take a look, see. Gonna go in here. Now we're coming back to get our last tank car. Then we'll go out and get all those hoppers. If I really want to do it right, extra switching will do it, just for making it good blocking. Okay, let's come on back. Oh, why they don't have a long bell on that auto bell? It's too short. Might be able to fix that. I think it's tied to the flight. I don't know if this one has flashing lights. I'm not sure BNSF does. I know UP doesn't. NSCSX does. Have to check that. Not even sure it has ditch lights. Now, do we get him? I don't know, it looks off to the side. Stretch. Well, let's do what I was thinking. Let's uncouple right here at the CSX car, sand car. And we'll group up all those hoppers. Okay, we've got them separated. Let's go. Go out on the main, get the hoppers, join them up, come back, get the tanks. That's got a good horn, easy to control. slow that down. We're going to tone that switch. Go ahead and stop. Tone the switch. We go shove them on back. I got speed 8 on it, still sitting there. Here comes the engine up. Very delayed. That's like 10 seconds. The only engine doing that. Now it takes off. Didn't throttle down. Boom, got him. Because I couldn't get it to stop. Okay, I think we're joined. Let's stretch and check them. Yes, sir. Here we go. Pick up some speed out here on main line. And slow back down. It's got a lot of momentum still. Okay, going to back in, tone the switch. Here we go. Good electro frogs. Put them in right and they work good. I don't even have juicers on these. Even with the ballast and paint, they still work. Only place I have juicers, 6 of them, is over in the CSX yard where I knew it'd be going slow. Let's stretch it. I think we're good. Yep, we got them. Okay, they're good to go. They got their signal. They're heading on down the road. We'll get the power on a backtrack. Pretty sure they're lined over there. They're going to stop at a platform anyway. Picking the speed up. Away he goes. Those empties are easy to pull for that engine. I hear the traction motors winding up. It's cool. Let's try to get you higher. Gotta slow him down though. He's already there. Well, it's the best we can do. I can't raise it without lots of problems. Pulling into the platform. This whole train fits over there. We got a yellow line. Pull up to that. And that will do. They're going to do a crew change here. Lights off. Shutter down. Whoop. Killed the sound. Totally killed it. Wasn't supposed to do that. Wasn't finished with the cycle. Okay. That's all. We'll wrap it up here. Well, that was different. I see the doors open on Pan Am because it's empty. The other one started open, but it wasn't all the way. So there we go. Cleaned it out. Got a whole train of empties. We get cycled back for more loads. Gray one back there, hard to see. And down here, got 77s in there shut down, got their work done. We got empty tracks. We can bring more cars in. Now they get all those loads in there. Then we'll have to get those out and get those aggregate cars in, guns, Herzogs. Get those in, let the local do that. Local switcher. Plant switcher will do that. They'll be in good shape. He can shuffle the empty hoppers out here to the tracks, storage tracks. Track 3 out here closest to me. Okay, let's shut him down back there. I think they're going to leave it idle. They said the crew will be here in a half hour. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. Have a great week. Whenever this is. I think it's going to be next week, Wednesday or something. Have a great week. What's left of it. Double Diamond Railroad out.